Excellent way to go, Master Mario. You have returned our waterfall to normal. Bravo. What's that? The ocean's still dirty. Strange. It looks like my theory was way off. That's okay. I think I gotta lead on our real cause. Now, this may not seem like much reward, but... Oh, he turned into Toad. I'm going to reveal to you one of Noki May's deepest secrets. Oh. This may actually contain the tomb of the ancient Noki King. When you spray water at the wall paintings, a path usually opens. It's almost like magic, and one path leads to a hidden shining spark. Honest, this is true. Maybe. Huh? Oh, foolish man, I am Pittissimo. Yeah, that is me. And now I can challenge you to race to the flag. That's what he sounds like, right, guys? That's easy. It's a race to the finish. The best time's 40 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm not ready. Okay. Oh god, I'm not ready. Oh god, I lost. Where is it? Oh, I win. Oh, this is easy. I win. Ah, that's it. Where's this guy? Hey, loser. I've been waiting for 5 years. Whoa. You are quite speedy. You're like a fish. You may not be the slow clam chomper I took you for. May we race again. Watch for me, bro. Why do you have Sun Sprite? That's illegal. I would hit his chin on those steps. Or snows.